In this video, we'll focus on the unique design of the BMW-G adapter on safe connection with the vehicle module. With the 3 positioning pins, connection is actually simple. Connection tips. Step 1. Precise alignment. Make sure the 3 positioning pins on the adapter are accurately aligned with the 3 marked points on the BMW-G chassis BDC2 module. Step 2. Press and lock. Once aligned, press the adapter downward, find the clips on the adapter and lock them in place. Safe removal. First, unlock the clips on the adapter. Then, find a clean, flat surface, and place the BMW-G chassis BDC2 module on it securely. Use both hands to evenly press down on both sides of the module. At this point, the pin header will smoothly pop up and disconnect from the adapter. Finally, lift the adapter straight up. Isn't it super easy to remove? The 3 positioning pins ensure the pin headers won't bend during removal, and also prevent injury from forced connection. Follow the tutorial and give it a try.